The NutriChef Thermoelectric wine cooler is the perfect item for any wine enthusiast. Store up to 8, 12, or even 18 bottles at a perfectly controlled, customizable temperature using high-precision thermoelectric cooling technology. It's the best way to protect the quality and taste of your wines, red, white, short, or long term. With its sleek stainless steel design and ultra-quiet cooling system, it will enhance any environment without drawing attention to itself. And with a 1-year warranty, you can decant, sniff, sip, and enjoy without fear.